Have you ever heard of scent leaves? Known in many parts of Africa as Efirin, Nchuanwu, or African basil, this humble green plant is a powerful natural healer hiding in plain sight. What if I told you that this leaf, often overlooked, holds the key to managing diabetes naturally and fighting off dangerous infections? In this video, we'll explore the science-backed healing powers of scent leaves, especially their role in diabetes control and infection prevention. Whether you suffer from high blood sugar, recurring infections, or just want to boost your immune system, this is for you. Stay with me until the end because I'll show you how to prepare scent leaf remedies at home and give you a bonus tip that could change your health forever. Also, subscribe to PRONADA Natural Health Tips and turn on the notification button for more natural health tips. Scent leaves are a type of medicinal herb native to West Africa and parts of Asia. In Nigeria, it's called Efirin in Yoruba, Nchuanwu in Igbo, and Daidoya in Hausa. It belongs to the same family as basil and has a strong, pleasant aroma. But this plant isn't just used for cooking. For generations, traditional healers have used scent leaves to treat coughs and colds, skin infections, malaria, diarrhea, and more. What makes scent leaves special is their rich nutrient profile. They're packed with essential oils like eugenol, thymol, and camphor, antioxidants like flavonoids and polyphenols, vitamins A, C, and K, calcium, magnesium, and iron. These compounds work together to offer anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, anti-diabetic, and immune-boosting properties. Let's talk about diabetes, one of the fastest-growing health issues in the world. According to the World Health Organization, over 400 million people are currently living with diabetes. Most of them depend on insulin or drugs like metformin. But what if a natural herb could help regulate blood sugar without the side effects? That's where scent leaves come in. 1. Regulates blood sugar. Multiple scientific studies have shown that scent leaves can help reduce blood glucose levels. The key lies in their active compounds, particularly eugenol and flavonoids, which help improve insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. In a 2016 study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, researchers administered scent leaf extract to diabetic rats. After just 21 days, the rats had significantly lower blood glucose levels compared to the control group. 2. Supports insulin function. Scent leaves improve how the body uses insulin, the hormone responsible for transporting glucose into cells. By enhancing insulin activity, scent leaves help cells absorb more glucose, reducing the amount of sugar circulating in the bloodstream. 3. Reduces oxidative stress in diabetics. High blood sugar leads to oxidative stress, which damages organs and tissues. Scent leaves are loaded with antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals, protect cells, and prevent diabetes complications like nerve damage, kidney failure, and vision loss. 4. Improves pancreatic health. The pancreas is the organ responsible for producing insulin. Some studies suggest that scent leaf extract may protect and regenerate pancreatic cells, improving insulin output in the long run. Scent leaves and infections. Let's shift gears and talk about another powerful benefit: infection control. Whether it's a bacterial infection, fungal issue, or viral sickness, scent leaves have been used for centuries to treat it naturally. Here's how. 1. Powerful antibacterial properties. Scent leaves contain essential oils with strong antibacterial effects, especially eugenol and thymol. These compounds fight against harmful bacteria like Staphylococcus aureus, causes boils and skin infections, E. coli, common cause of diarrhea, and Salmonella, linked to typhoid fever. In a lab study, scent leaf extract inhibited the growth of multiple bacteria strains. In some cases, it worked better than antibiotics. 2. Antifungal effects. Do you suffer from yeast infections, athlete's foot, or dandruff? Scent leaves may help. Their natural oils destroy fungal cell membranes, stopping their growth and spread. Many traditional healers use scent leaves to treat ringworm, candida overgrowth, skin rashes, and dandruff. You can drink scent leaf tea or apply the extract to the skin for topical relief. 3. Fights viral infections. Scent leaves have shown promise in fighting respiratory viruses. During the pandemic, many people used scent leaf tea to relieve coughs, sore throat, and nasal congestion. Its anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties made it a go-to remedy. 4. Boosts immunity. Scent leaves stimulate the immune system to produce more white blood cells and antibodies, helping the body fight off infections naturally. So whether it's a wound, fever, or cough, scent leaves are a reliable natural alternative. Now let's get practical. How do you use scent leaves to enjoy these benefits? Here are 4 powerful ways to prepare them. 1. Scent leaf tea for diabetes and infections. Wash a handful of fresh scent leaves. Boil in 2 to 3 cups of water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and allow to cool slightly. Drink 1 cup twice daily, morning and night. Add a little ginger or lemon for extra healing power. This tea helps regulate blood sugar, fight infections, and improve digestion. 2. Scent leaf juice. Blend fresh scent leaves with a small amount of clean water, sieve to remove particles, add a teaspoon of honey if desired. Drink 1 glass every day before meals. Juicing retains the raw power of the leaves and is excellent for immune support. 3. Scent leaf steam inhalation for cold and cough. Boil scent leaves with eucalyptus or lemongrass. Pour into a bowl and cover your head with a towel. Inhale deeply for 10 minutes. This clears the airways, kills viruses, and relieves nasal congestion. 4. Topical application for skin infections. Crush fresh scent leaves into a paste. Apply to the affected area, ringworm, rashes, wounds. Leave for 20 minutes, rinse, and repeat daily. You can also mix with coconut oil for better absorption and skin nourishment. Who should use scent leaves? Scent leaves are safe for most people, but they're especially helpful for people with type 2 diabetes, people prone to infections, people with weak immunity, elderly individuals, and anyone looking for natural detox or blood sugar balance. However, pregnant women should use with caution due to possible uterine stimulation. Always consult your doctor before using herbal remedies if you're on medications or have a chronic condition. Nature has given us everything we need to heal, and scent leaves are one of the most underrated herbs in the world. From controlling diabetes naturally to preventing deadly infections, scent leaves deserve a place in your daily routine. Here's a bonus tip. Combine scent leaf tea with bitter leaf juice in the morning. It creates a powerful anti-diabetic tonic that supports the liver, reduces sugar spikes, and cleanses the blood. Remember, consistency is key. Drink the tea daily, use the leaves in your meals, make it a lifestyle, and watch your health transform. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss our next natural health remedy. Share this video with a friend or family member battling high blood sugar or infections. It might save their life. Until next time, stay healthy, stay natural, and remember, your body can heal itself if you give it what it needs.